Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore blind OS command injection vulnerability. Very similar to blind SQL injection. We cannot get result or output of command execution. And this is the major difference between normal command injection and blind command injection. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then we can head over to Kali Linux VM. We can input credential to login, and the current level is low, and we can choose blind OS command injection bug and click hack button. So we can enter your IP address, for example, maybe local host ping. Of course, the local host will always be reachable, but unlike normal OS command injection, even the IP address is very valid and is reachable. We didn't get output of such a ping. Ping is command, right? Just it's saying, did you capture our golden packet? Maybe we can input anything and ping. Oh, I think it's taking time, but again, the response is the same as before. Okay, so what are we going to perform for the blind command injection? We can take advantage of some commands which do not require output. For example, like sleep, okay? And we can, we are doing low security level. This means there is no any filter or security control in place, right? So now let me, for example, like sleep 5 seconds. So if this command is executed as we expect, and the browser will wait for 5 seconds, okay? And then, although the response will be the same, did you capture our golden packet? We can ping. You see, we are waiting, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is done. So this means we have already performed blind OS command injection. Okay, so of course we cannot run like ls, because the output of ls cannot be returned as we did for the normal OS command injection bug. Okay, but it doesn't matter. We can run other similar command which doesn't require output, such as reversal command. Okay, and to demonstrate this, we can set up the listener in Kali Linux with netcat. The listener has started. So now let's go back to the browser, and we can run netcat, and we can autocomplete this field and ping. And let's go back to the terminal. Indeed, we have already got a collection from the target machine. Fantastic. And we can spawn interactive shell with Python. Okay, and then we can run ls command as before, or get out the password file. All right, so also I believe you can use commix to perform this blind OS command injection. However, I'm not going to repeat this process. I just I am always intended to, showcase exploiting vulnerability manually. Okay, and then you can get a better understanding how vulnerability works and how to, exploit it. Okay, so now I think we can close this collection, and let me try to set the security level to medium. Set. But I think it would be better we open the browser one more time and access bWAPP application. So the bWAPP and the medium security level, and we can select this bug to hack. This is very similar to normal OS command injection at a medium security level. The current level is medium. Although there is some sort of filter in place, it will not filter all bad or malicious command operators or symbols. Okay, so for example, we can use the pipe operator and run sleep one more time, like 10 seconds. We can ping. The browser is waiting of about 10 seconds. And then, although we will still get the same response. Okay? And similarly, we can get reverse shell. Okay? And let me set up the listener again, and we can run bin bash IP address of Kali Linux, port number, ping. Let's go back. You see, we still get the same sort of reverse shell as before. Okay. However, this way, we cannot use the same way to take down high security level. Why? Because a high security level will use a different function, and we cannot, use command operator like semicolon, pipe operator, end operator, or operator, and so on and so forth to chain multiple commands. If you want to check, you can go to bbox, and we can cat command, blind, and maybe we can use more. So the high security level will use this function. This is external function, command I. We can copy, and we can check. (186). So now we can get out this function and to look at this function definition. Okay, more 186. Yes, so this function is used, and this function will prevent us from chaining multiple commands using multiple command operators like a semicolon, like or operator, end operator, background operator. I have already explained it in the command or normal command injection video. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.